Well, this is a little period 1940s Salisbury bone china milk jug, half-pint milk jug. Little urn shape, classic 1940s design and shape. C-cup teacups, we've got 3 of those that go with this set. And I think there may be a teapot and some other sporting bits coming through. It's in very fine condition, very nicely conserved. Beautiful hand-coloured rose in pink and green, very delicate. And then it's got this beautiful, quite emporial sort of 1930s, 1940s gilt design, which is used both on the teacups and the other pieces inside. Nice plain rim with gilt, well conserved, good gilt down the outer aspect of the handle. Just a little bit of wear on the thumb rest here where you tend to support and pick this up. You can see it's just a little bit moth-eaten just around there where it's been used during its, well, this is 1940s, so it's coming up for 90 years old. Salisbury fine bone china, English pink crown mark there, and the shape and condition of this piece is just beautiful. It's a very pretty little thing in nice condition for a period milk jug. As I say, we have got 3 trios, saucers, side plates and the teacups in the same design in very nice clean condition as well. So opportunity to put a little tea service together for collectors of English fine bone china. Thanks for watching.